Good morning, students. How are you doing? All good? So, it's our last topic of chapter number 1, Constituent Assembly. The Constitution was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected members of the Provincial Assembly. The 389 members in that assembly, which was reduced in 299 after the partition of India and Pakistan, and took almost 3 years to draft the constitution, holding the 11 sessions, or nearly 165 days. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a wise constitutional expert. He had studies the constitution of 60 countries. Ambedkar recognized as the father of the Indian constitution. And now, what are the timelines of the constitution? On 6th of December 1946, the formation of the Constituent Assembly, it was accordance with the French practices. फ्रेंच की जो प्रैक्टिसेस थी या वहाँ पे जिस तरीके से उन लोगों ने जो फॉर्मेशंस की थी उसी के अकॉर्डिंग से मेंटेन किया गया था। 9th ऑफ दिसंबर 1946 फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुई थी। ये फर्स्ट मीटिंग जो थी इट वाज हेल्ड इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हॉल। दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हॉल इज़ known as the central hall. Now it is known as the central hall of our parliament. First person to address the assembly was J.B. Kriplani, and the first temporary president was Sachidanand Sinha. Okay. This meeting was boycotted by the Muslim League because they demanding the separate state. कंटिन्यूसली उनकी डिमांड थी टू नेशन थ्योरी के अकॉर्डिंग कि उन्हें एक्स्ट्रा या ज़्यादा जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो चाहिए पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम में। तो उसकी वजह से भी नाराज़ थे। कुछ ब्रिटिशर्स की डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी का इफ़ेक्ट था, इसलिए इस मीटिंग को उन लोगों ने अटेंड नहीं किया, टोटली बॉयकॉट कर दिया था और एक सेपरेट स्टेट की डिमांड कंटिन्यू रखी थी। On 11th of December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed as the president of the Constituent Assembly, and H.C. Mukherjee was the vice chairman of the Constituent Assembly. B.N. Roy was the constitutional legal advisor. Okay. There were 389 members, which was reduced in the number of 299 after the partition. Out of 389, 292 members were from the government provinces, 4 from the chief commissioner provinces, and 93 from the princely states. On 13th of December 1946, the objective resolution was presented by the Nehru. It laying underlying the principles of the constitution. Later it became the constitution's main part, which is known as preamble of the Indian कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ये जो प्रियम्बल है यही उस टाइम का ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन था। On 22nd of January 1947, the objective resolution unanimously adopted. On 22nd July 1947, national flag, the tricolor, was adopted. 15th of August 1947 achieved the independence, and India split into the dominance of India and dominance of Pakistan. Yani India was divided into 3 separate parts: Pakistan, Bangladesh and India. Bangladesh after 1971, otherwise it is known as the part of Pakistan, East and West Pakistan. 29 of August 1947, drafting committee appointed with the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as its chairperson, and the committee having 6 members. These are the 6 members of that committee. 16th of July 1948, along with the Harindra Chaumar Mukherjee, V.T. Krishnamachari was also elected as second vice president of the Constituent Assembly. Okay. To calculate or to judge the things in a better way. Both were elected. On 26th of November 1949, the Constituent Assembly was passed the constitution and adopted by the Assembly. On 26th of January 1950, the last meeting of the Constituent Assembly, and the Constitution was signed and accepted with the 395 articles, 8 schedules, and 22 parts. On 26th of January 1950, the Constitution came into force. The whole process of the Constitution take 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days time, and the total expenditure behind it was rupees 6.4 million to finish the huge project. Thank you.